Biodiesel production use chemical like methanol and sodium hydroxide to convert vegetable or animals oil into biodiesel. However, if not managed properly, byproduct like glycerol can be hazardous waste. Methanol poses significant environmental health risks. Glycerol can be repurposed into pharmaceutical and cosmetic reducing waste. Effective waste management and resources recycling are crucial for maintaining environmental and social benefits.
The objective from this project first is to apply sustainability principle in project carried out by students and lecturers for the local community with an emphasis on reducing environmental impact through using biodiesel. 2. To engage the community by educating them on how to produce biodiesel from used or new cooking oil. Third is to encourage students to participate in biodiesel projects focused on sustainability such as those involving use of cooking oil.
Assalamualaikum. It's Nurul Ain Kristina binti Ahmad Sabri. SCC843. Information about participation program. SULAM has organized workshop to educate community members on biodiesel production and its environmental benefits. The project aims to produce biodiesel from used cooking oil, reducing the diesel consumption. The transesterification method uses methanol and sodium hydroxide to convert waste into energy. A prototype biodiesel reactor will be used in collaboration with COSIP PPR Hiliran and the University of Malaysia Terengganu. Biodiesel is a renewable, sustainable alternative to traditional fossil fuel, reducing greenhouse gas emission by up to 78% compared to conventional diesel. The initiative has formed strategic partnership with key stakeholders to optimize biodiesel production process and promote renewable energy and sustainability.
Output of program. Output of program means SULAM. It is a 3 type. So first, we can do the for education perspective. Second, socially, and third, economically. So this program output perspective is raises awareness and teach student and community knowledge about the green technology, particularly in biodiesel production from used cooking oil. The program offers to practice experience to the transesterification process, translate technology and technical and scale or fostering a culture of innovation. Second, I want to talk about the sociality. It strengthens the relationship between education. So institution and local community increase awareness of environment conservation and green energy use. So lastly, I want to talk about the economically. The program produce cheaper and eco-friendly. So alternative to creating additional income opportunities, especially for low income group. Environmentally, is reduce pollution from improperly disposed cooking oil, lower to the greenhouse gas emission, and support global sustainability goals. Overall, the program delivers both the short-term and long-term benefit of students, communities, and contributors to economic sustainability and environmental preservation.
Community of the issue is first limited access to the education, which is the majority of underdeveloped village will not have access to resource or information on the benefits of biodiesel for the environment and how it is produced by. So number 2, they lack of cooperation with NGO and the influencer itself. They fail to fulfill their respective responsibility, local influencer and non-governmental organization, result in mischange for educational purpose and outreach about the knowledgeable about the production of biodiesel itself. So number 3 is plastic oil limitation. Each individual is only permitted to utilize a maximum of 2 kg per person of plastic oil due to supply availability or production limitation caused by the producer's process due to the requirement for specialized equipment. The process of turning plastic into oil is for complicated for the general public to embrace. 4 is the environmental concern, which is biodiesel from used cooking oil has an alternative to traditional diesel. Some individual may not understand how it helps to reduce the pollution. Number 5 is the profit move, which is many companies, restaurant and food seller see discredited cooking oil has a potential source for revenue by selling it to the commercial processor rather than they donating it for the communal or national purpose. So number 6 is quality issue, which is due to the potential pollutants or impurities like chemicals, water or food particle into the cooking oil, used cooking oil, gathered from the source might not be appropriate for direct use used in the synthesis of biodiesel.
Next, for methodology, the material that we need to make the biodiesel, first we need used cooking oil, ethanol, sodium hydroxide, measuring cylinder, conical flask, beaker, thermometer, glove, glass rod, winging scale, Bunsen burner, spatula and tire rubber. The procedure to make the biodiesel. First, we need to obtain used cooking oil. Locate a source of vegetable oil that has been used in cooking. Then, we need to examine the oil. Look at the oil that is obtained to roughly determine its utility. It should look darker than fresh or used vegetable oil and will likely include small food matter left from the frying process. If the oil appears milky or cloudy, do not use it, as it is likely to hide in water content and or animal fats, which will interfere with the biodiesel production process. Next, dissolve nitrogen hydroxide into ethyl alcohol. Then, heat the oil until it reaches 60 degrees Celsius, about 7 to 8 minutes. Once the oil reaches 60 degrees Celsius, add a mixture of nitrogen hydroxide and ethyl alcohol into the oil. Then, stir the mixture continuously for 30 minutes. After stirring, let the mixture stir for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we could see a glycerol at the bottom and biodiesel floating at the top separately. Descend separate the biodiesel from the glycerol.
So for the improvement suggestion for this program is required because this program is an initiative aimed at converting used cooking oil into biodiesel. This program is typically focused on promoting environmental sustainability, reducing waste and generating renewable energy. Improvement to such program can focus on enhancing collection, processing, and community engagement while ensuring scalability and efficiency. Okay, so for the improvement suggestion for this program is enhanced collection system, which is it can boost public knowledge through campaign, informative workshop, and incentive to motivate household, restaurant, and food enterprise to donate used cooking oil through community involvement to simplify collection used on cooking. Other than that, The improvement suggestion is efficient processing technology, which is we can invest advanced technologies that can improve the conversion rate of cooking oil to biodiesel, thus reducing energy consumption and byproducts such as process integration, which is to combine reaction steps such as transesterification, so that it can save time and energy. In addition, after the program, the waste of making biodiesel from used cooking oil can repurpose byproduct like glycerin for other industries such as soap making and animal feed. Okay, last but not least, the improvement suggestion is policy and regulation support, which is advocate for government incentive to or subsidies for participant and biodiesel producer, which can enhance renewable energy and reduce waste such as used cooking oil. Also, government can make a mandatory collection for this program and push for regulation requiring large-scale food producers and restaurants to recycle their used cooking oil. In this way, this program can be upgraded time by time for used cooking oil, and the waste after the program not just thrown like that.
For conclusion, SULAM is conducted by Student University Malaysia Terengganu with Community Majlis Perbandaran Ampang Jaya Selangor. By SULAM, provide new learning to the community, create or produce new product from the kitchen waste. From the statistic data of Malaysia show, every household consume an average 2 kg cooking oil in a month. Approximately 45% of the remaining cooking oil is thrown into the sink and trash cans. This practice causes pollution to the environment, for example, making it difficult to cigarettes in landfill, and oil seeps into the soil and flows into the river without treatment, adversely affecting aquatic life. This innovation generates new ideas for communities to manage their oil and food waste in a more effective way by producing biodiesel products and liquid fertilizer using waste from their homes. In conclusion, SULAM is an initiative of learning and exposure to the community and helps reduce food waste from homes and restaurants.